Do you know your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can automatically block apps that send too many ads? This helps reduce annoying notification and keeps your phone running smoothly. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Device Care. Tap the three dots at the top right, then tap Setting. Now tap Block Apps with Excessive Ads. Here you will see that basic blocking is already active by default. This means apps that send frequent ads may be automatically restricted. To make it even smarter, turn on intelligent blocking. With this option enabled, your phone will analyze notifications and detect which ones are likely ads, then limit them if they appear too often. Apps that send excessive ads may be placed into deep sleep, so they will not run in the background or send notification. But don't worry, the app will still work normally when you open it. And that's how you automatically block apps with excessive ads on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.